All right, everyone, wanted to do a quick garden tour, Mother's Day garden tour. You can see we have our row of Mississippi pink eye purple hull peas. We planted these for my mother-in-law, she loves them. Then we have a row of, this is going to be a quick overview. We have a row of green beans all the way down through there on both sides. You can see it coming through pretty good. We got a nice looking row of squash going down through here. I mean, this jam up. I think this is zucchini right here. Cucumbers, okay. We didn't do zucchini this year, did we? So we got squash and zucchini on the same row again. That's how we did last year too. I'm just a hole digger most of the time, folks. All right, so here is some, we got cantaloupe and we got some watermelon planted. We didn't do a whole lot, but they're doing pretty good.
That little one is
This little one here, I don't know if you can see that. It's the yellow melon. Brett Swafford sent this to us. It's the honey. We'll think of the name of it here in a minute. It'll come to us. But Brett Swafford sent it to us, but we just can't think the name. So here's all of our watermelons. And I think that's a cantaloupe right there. And then we'll go in the greenhouse. And right here at the front of the greenhouse, we have a pepper that just come up. It's a volunteer. It just came up. It's crazy, isn't it? It came up right there.
It's just where a seed dropped.
And then Jennifer's gonna show us. You can see her zinnias. We're not doing a whole lot in the bed in the greenhouse.
Egyptian walking onions. Right here. See how they fall over?
Call them walking onions.
This will replant and make more onions.
Nice rows. Then we have one cauliflower there, and then Jennifer's actually gonna cut this one. It's starting to get some worms on it, so she's gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm not a fan of it, but Jennifer and the girls love cauliflower, and I'll eat it when she cooks it. Told her a long time ago I'll eat anything she cooks, mostly. So there it is. Then we have a muscadine that we're fixing to move. A guy that I helped at the food pantry gave me that. Man, it looks good too. It's doing real well. Look at it climbing up through there. We got some more zinnia, and I think this is some sage, and then you see some onions over there.
Got a lot of volunteer stuff this year.
A lot of volunteer stuff. We didn't, like Jennifer said, we didn't do much. This is Jennifer's work table. We'll go out here and we'll look down this. Now you're gonna see a lot of weeds. We don't really do a whole lot. This whole box here is volunteers.
Yeah, but these are out here because of the white flies last year.
Yeah, the white flies invaded last year, so we moved all this stuff out here, trying to keep them out of the greenhouse.
Well, no. We just didn't want to plant in them, and this is all volunteer stuff.
But we moved them out here so we wouldn't get the white flies in there. But this is all volunteer stuff. And then look at these.
It's all volunteer stuff.
All volunteer zinnias.
This is okra, actually. I did put that in there. I forgot I put that in there.
Is that, what kind is that? Is that
red okra?
Red okra?
See the red stem?
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
And this tree here is one of the only trees that we got from Arbor Day that lived. Most of the rest of them died, unfortunately. We usually did pretty good at Arbor Day. We need to drain some of this water in. Look how that thing's holding that water. Yeah, we got wheat poles in them. All right, so you can see this is our grape trellis that we put up this year. And you see our two grape, one on this end and one on that end. And then let me show you this pepper over here. And you can see it right down in there.
This one.
Then there's some banana peppers.
Look at this big one back here.
Oh yeah.
How big it is.
Woo.
It's huge.
Then our tomatoes are doing real good. We've got some here coming. See that? Yep, doing well. Before long we'll be out here pulling tomato hornworms off.
Can you go over there so you can see the cabbage?
Yeah, let me come on this side. And we're only gardening, I don't know if you can tell the breadth of the garden. We're gardening close to not even full half. Because the more you plant, the more you got to take care of. So,
This is broccoli.
broccoli. Look at that cabbage. Ooh,
It has so much rain.
look at that cabbage. Excited.
This one's getting good size too.
Yeah, that's a good size one there. I like boiled cabbage.
You know what this is right here?
Spinach.
No.
Cauliflower.
Mm-hmm.
I was hoping it was spinach. And some more tomatoes, and then, hope I'm not going too fast, some garlic.
That's what wouldn't get me bad. More walking onions.
And of course you can see Jennifer's, oh, let me show while I'm here. This is my favorite rose I always show off. This is a coat of many color rose. It changes colors throughout the day. I bought it for Jennifer, I think last year for Mother's Day or something, or anniversary. I can't remember, but it will change colors throughout the day. Beautiful rose. Jennifer's a good rose planter. You can see her rose beds up through the, yeah, we've had heavy rains for 3 days. These are knockout roses. Come on this side of the fence. This, it just bloomed today.
I can't see that.
What's it called?
That's just a daylily. It's just a maroon color.
Mm-hmm. Knockout roses. We might plant a little corn for personal consumption and giveaway. I don't know how those roses are pretty. Look at that. The rain's knocked it, beat them down pretty good. Now I want to show y'all the grapevine that we thought was dead. Man, look at that thing, it's going. We got asparagus in there, look at all that. Everything's looking nice and good, and Lord sent plenty of rain. Well, we sure do appreciate you being with us on the video. We even got a blackberry. Is that a blackberry right there? No, that's part of the rose. We got tons of blackberries around here. We try to keep them cut back, but we appreciate everybody. And you can see Jennifer's other beautiful rose bush in the. Can you see that in the foreground over there? One right over, right. Let's see here, there, right there, right there. There it is. That one. I can see it now. Well, you can go closer. Sorry for all the bobbing. There's our storm pit. We've had to get in it twice since we've been here. And didn't need it, fortunately, so. And that's Jennifer's. And this is the most fragrant rose we have. All right. Anything else you want to say? We got blueberries everywhere. This one over here. Let's see. Loaded. It's gonna be loaded. I forget the variety,
This is a premier.
but we try to
And over there
pack
is
them. We've
what,
got
5 or 6?
blueberries planted all back over in there, because we got blueberries on the front side, but they're getting old. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed our tour. Hope you're growing something. May the Lord bless you. See you later.